What's up, guys? We're doing a build series on my Honda CRF50. We just got it back from the powder coat, and it's gloss black with red sparkles. We started with the all original 2005, and I'll put a picture up in the description to show you what we started with. We got all new suspension from BBR and Piranha, and this is the swing arm that we're going to be putting on it. Alright, so we got a Turner rear sprocket, and then we went with Tusk tires. We went with the 10-inch in the back and a 12-inch in the front for that big bike look. Alright, so we got a rear shock from T-Bolt USA, and then we got a Turner Performance gold chain for that factory look. Alright, so we got the Piranha front wheel with the disc brake, and then this is the hydraulic brake. Alright, so these are the front forks from the Piranha kit, and I'm just going to do a size comparison. So these are the stock ones, and you can already tell if you line them up right here, they're longer and beefier. And it also comes with the Piranha triple clamps, and they're all blacked out. Alright, so now I'm going to install the front tire onto the wheel. Alright, now she's on, so now we're going to put the forks together.
Was it hard?
No, it wasn't that hard. So now you can see that we got the forks on, the triple clamps, and now she's looking like a bike.
Let's check it out.
Alright, we're back, guys. The next day and last night we put the plastics on, front wheel and tire, and you can already tell that it's bigger because we got a 12-inch rim instead of a 10-inch. And you can see that we got the BBR swing arm with the shock. And yeah, we're about to build the motor. Alright guys, so you can see that the factory Piranha kit, it came with this. And then we're going to do a little bit of like upgrading, you can call it like style, and put this thing on. Alright, so let's put on the bars now. So when we got this 50, it had the tag bars, and it's like the big bike bars, so let's put them on. Okay, so now you can see we got the bars on, we got the ODI plate on, or not the ODI plate, the ODI bar pad, and then we're gonna put these on, the ODI grips, but we have to wait for a new throttle to come in, so this is the original motor from the 50. And you can already see that the bike's bad because look at the motor. So we're gonna tear into all of it, start taking all the parts off. We're gonna start with the front sprocket, and then we're gonna take off the carb. So we got like mostly all brand new parts for it. So let's start digging into it. Okay, now you can see that we got the top end off, the piston off of the crank, and this is what the old piston looked like. And now we're ready to put the 88 kit on. Alright, so it's been a couple days, but now you can see we got the clutch all torn down, and we're going to be putting on EBC heavy duty original clutch plate set. And we got the BBR clutch springs. Let's put it together. Alright, so we got the clutch all assembled with the new parts, and Here are the old parts, the clutch disc and the springs from when we got it. And now we're gonna move on to the oil pump. Okay, so we got the oil pump on, we got the clutch back on, and we cleaned the case. And now we're about to put it back on with the new gasket. All right, so now we got the clutch cover on, and we got all the piston rings on, the piston, and we already test fit the piston in the cylinder. So now let's put the piston in the cylinder on. All right, so you can see we got the cylinder on, the piston, everything went smooth, and now we got the race head. It's bigger valves and springs. So now let's put it on. All right, so we got the top end all buttoned up and finished. And we put the stock covers on because we're waiting on our black machined covers. And we're gonna put this new sprocket on. We went up 2 teeth, now it's a 16 teeth. And we're gonna put our Boyson clutch cover on too. All right, so we got the Boyson cover on, we got the front sprocket, and we also did the shifter and the intake. Now let's put on the carburetor and the air filter. So we're back. You guys know we took a lot of time off because my finger, I broke it from baseball. So we've done the car, the air filter, the black engine covers. We did the foot pegs, and we're about to put on the rear tire. All right, so we got our rear hub back from Powder Coat, and it matches up really well with our BBR rear wheel. And we're gonna put on the BBR heavy duty spokes. All right, so we got this heavy duty spokes on. We had to drill out we had to drill out 3/16 for the heavy duty spokes to fit in. So now let's put the wheel on. All right, so we got the wheel all laced up. Now let's put the sprocket on. So we got the chain guide from BBR Motorsports, and we're gonna do the red anodized to match all the other red right here. And then, yeah, let's put it on. So we finished getting the chain guide on. We got the rear tire mounted, and now we're gonna put on the 650's rear brake and the exhaust pipe. Let's put it on. So guys, we're back, and we got the exhaust pipe all on. We got a new gasket down here. We did the 650's brake lever, and we did the BBR extension. And now we're gonna put on the chain from Turner with the Turner rear sprocket. Let's put it on. So we're doing a rebuild on the fuel petcock, and here you can see that we already got all the junk out, and we're gonna do a rebuild kit of the all balls racing, and she'll be good as new. All right, so we're at the point to where now we're gonna be putting on the wiring, also with the T-bolt rev box, and then we just put oil in it, and then we gotta adjust the valves. Let's do it all. Okay, so we got the gas tank on. Now we're gonna put the BBR taller seat, and we're gonna put on the rest of the plastics. Okay, so we got it all done, and we don't have the plastic on because we're just trying to look at everything, see if it's good, and let's try to see the first start. and we didn't have to tune anything, even the carb. And I've been riding it for a couple of days, and it runs great, and that's a wrap. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.